Welcome back to The Slope. Today, we're hitting the hillside with Marine Innovations owner Nick Botzet as we visit one of our tram systems in northern Minnesota. Along the way, Nick shares the story of the oldest tram he's ever seen and what it says about the longevity of marine innovation systems. We'll also take a look at the wide variety of properties our trams are built for and why no two installations are ever the same. This is The Slope by Marine Innovations.
Hi, I'm Nick with Marine Innovations. I'm in northern Minnesota right now, and this is a traction drive unit with a self-leveling system on it. The slope goes from about a 25 to a 35 degree slope. I grew up in St. Paul, Minneapolis area, transitioned to Detroit Lakes in 6th grade, graduated high school there. And then I moved to Montana in 2004, 2005 to build houses in Big Sky and Yellowstone Club. And then learned pretty early on that I didn't want to pound nails when I was 50 years old, so decided to go to college for project management and then moved back with the family business around 2010, 2011. First, they say in many situations how easy it is to use, that they wish they would have put the system in 10 years ago, and they really enjoy the customer service experience working with us. Average system length is anywhere from 70 to 130 feet and beyond. Slopes range from a 10 degree slope all the way up to a 70 degree slope and everything in between. The oldest lift that I've personally been up to service would be in Ely, Minnesota, and that unit is about 35 years old.